Okay, this is Power Wheels Jeep. The standard battery that comes with these looks something like this. It's got its special little adapter there. So I found a way to rig this up with a better setup that is cheaper and better. So I've got the battery here. What I went ahead and did is I spliced wires. I used a very thick gauge wire to allow current to flow freely. Okay, and then the white is your positive, the black is your negative. And I found this battery on Amazon. You'll notice that it's 18 amp hours. I don't recall exactly, but I know that it's more than the Power Wheels battery that came with it. And the thing that's nice about it is that there's these little holders, so if you take out the original snap, the latch that holds the original battery in place, take that out, then those right there will hold your battery nicely in place right there. And I will put the links in the description of the video on where I got this battery. And this was just a simple crimp job, and then I found some cheap hardware to go through the posts on these, and away we went. So, and it works flawlessly. I'm gonna have my boy demonstrate how this works.